Welcome back to my bathroom once again. I wasn't going to film this week at all because I'm like a week ahead, so I was gonna take the week off. But then I watched Jenna Marbles' video for the year, her first video for the year, and got inspired. So I hope you're ready for that, because we're gonna do it. We're gonna do an e-girl look, which I've never done. I'm 25. I'm gonna be 26 in August. I have a almost 1-year-old son. He's gonna be 1 by the time this goes up, but an almost 1-year-old son. This is not what I should be doing, but her and Julian made it look real good, and I want to do it. So let's do it. We've made it to the end of the video. Yeah. So this is what I'm working with. I'll turn off all the lights so you can kind of see what I'm seeing. It's very blushy. I kind of like how I did my lips. Lips took a little finessing though, as you can see. Anyways, I probably won't ever be doing this again. I know this isn't for my age group because, as I said, I'm gonna be 26 in August. I have a son who's gonna be 1. And but yeah, no, I just wanted to try it. And I mean, I do like how the blush effect looks, and it does look more toned down than it did on her. So, I do like it, and I could achieve it with mostly pharmacy stuff. So I don't know. We'll see what's coming up next week, because who knows, maybe I'll get inspired by something else and, you know, do something crazy. But, you know, I put out videos every Sunday at 2, so if you want to come back, hit like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you next week. Bye.